Hello students, welcome back. Now we will take up our exercise 11.4 to discuss the volumes. Now starting with the question number 1. It is given that given a cylindrical tank in which situation will you find the surface area and in which situation the volume. So in first case, to find how much it hold. So first case, how much it hold. So it is now volume. B, number of the cement bags required to plaster it. So to plaster it, we require the surface area. And C part, number of the cement bags required. The C part, to find the number of the smaller tanks that can be filled with the water from it. So again, we required volume. So now coming with the question number 2, the diameter of the cylinder A. So here it is cylinder A given to us. So this is cylinder A, here it is 7 centimeter, so this will be now 3.5 centimeter, and this is 14 centimeter given to us, and here it is now cylinder B is given to us, and here it is now 14 centimeter is the diameter. So this radius becomes 7 centimeter and this is also 7 centimeter. This is A and this is B. So now we will find out the diameter of the cylinders. A is 7 centimeter and the height is 14 centimeter. Diameter of the B is 14 centimeter, height is 7 centimeter. Without doing any calculation, can you suggest which volume will be greater? Obviously, the volume of cylinder is equals to pi r square h. So it depends on the radius. Now greater radius will have the greater volume. यहाँ पे radius अभी कितना है 7 सेंटीमीटर, यहाँ पे radius कितना है 3.5 सेंटीमीटर. तो greater radius वाले का क्या होगा, greater volume होगा. So now we can say volume of cylinder B is greater because it has greater radius. So greater radius का क्या होगा, greater volume होगा. Check whether the cylinder with the greater volume also has the greater surface area. So now we can find out the volume. So volume of cylinder A. So this will be now pi r square h. So this is 22 by 7 into r. R is given 3.5 into 3.5 into h is 14. So this is 1, this is now 2. So this can be written as, so we got this volume. So this is now 539 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cylinder A. So volume of cylinder B. So volume of cylinder B will be again pi r square h. So this is 22 by 7 into r is 7 into 7 into height is 7. So 7 cancels. This is now 1078 centimeter cube. Now surface area. So surface area of cylinder A. So cylinder A surface area will be 2 pi rs. So this is 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 3.5 into h is 14. So this is 1, this is 2. So now we can solve this. This is 300. So this is equals to 385 centimeter square. Similarly, we will find this surface area. Surface area of cylinder B. So this is again 2 pi rs. So this is 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 7 into height is 7. So this got cancelled. So this will be equals to now so this is 44 into 7. So this will be equals to now 308 centimeter square. So now coming to the question number 3. Find the height of the cuboid whose the surface area is 180 centimeter square and the volume is this. So volume of cuboid, this is equals to now surface area into height. So volume is already given to us. This is 900 centimeter. So volume is given. This is 900 centimeter cube, and here the surface area is given 180 into height remaining the h. So h will be equals to now 900 divided by 180. So this is 5 centimeters. So this is the height. Now coming to the question number 4. A cuboid of the dimensions 60, 54 and 30. How many small cubes with the size 6 centimeter can be placed in the given? So number of cubes will be equals to volume of cuboid divided by volume of cube. So this is equals to now volume of cuboid. This will be length into width into height divided by volume of the cube is side cube. So this will be equals to now length is already given to us. This is 60 into 54 into 30 divided by 6. So this will be 6 into 6. So therefore number of cubes, this will be equals to now 9 times, then 6 1 6 10 6 1 6 5. So this is now 450. So now coming to the question number 5th. Find the height of the cylinder with the volume is this and the diameter of the base is given. So diameter of base is 140 centimeter. So radius is equals to diameter by 2. So 140 by 2. So this is now 70 centimeter, or it can be written as 0.70 meters. So we need to find out the height. So volume of cylinder is given as volume of cylinder. This is equals to now pi r square h. So volume of the cylinder already given. This is 1.54. This is equals to now 22 by 7 into r square. So r is 0.7 into 0.7 into h. So this cancelled 0.1. So this will be now 1.54 divided by 22 into 0.07. So this is 1 time, this is 7 and 7 7, this is cancelled. This is equals to the height. So we got height of cylinder as 1 meter. So height of cylinder is equals to 1 meter. Coming to the question number 6. A milk tank is in the form of the cylinder with the radius is 1.5 meter and the length is 7 meters. So find the quantity of the milk in the liters. So volume of milk is equal to the volume of the cylinder. So this is now pi r square h. So this is 22 by 7 into r. R is already given 1.5 into height or the length. This is now 7. So this is 1.5 into 7. This 7 cancelled. So this volume. So volume comes out to be So volume is now 49.5 meter cube. Now we know 1 meter cube, this is equals to 1000 liters. So volume of milk in liters, so this will be 49.5 into 1000, so this will be 49,500 liters. So this will be the milk of the volume of the milk. So now coming to the question number 7th. If each edge of the cube is doubled, how many times will the surface area increase? Let the side of cube is equals to L meters. So the surface area will be, surface area of cube will be equals to, now this is 6 times side square. So 6 side square, so this will be 6 into L square meters. Now the new side of cube, this is now doubled, so this is 2L. Now new surface area will be now 6 into 2L whole square, so this will be now 6 into 4L square, so this can be written as 4 into 6L square. So this is now, so the volume of old cube divided by, so how many times we required, how many times is the surface area increases. So increase in surface area, so increase in surface area, this is now 4 into 6L square divided by this initial, so this got cancelled, so this is now 4 times. So how many times increases? This is now 4 times. This is A part. Now coming to the B part, how many times is the volume? So volume of cube is equals to the side cube, so this will be now L cube in this case. So volume of new cube means this is with the side 2L, so this will be 8L cube. So increase in volume, now increase in volume, this will be now the final volume 8L cube divided by small initial volume L cube, so this is now 8 times. So increase in volume is 8 times and increase in surface area is 4 times. So now coming to the question number 8. Water is pouring into the cylinder into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. If the volume of the reservoir is 108 meter cube, so volume of reservoir, so this is 108 meter cube. So we know 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters. So volume of reservoir, so this will be equals to now 108 into 1000, so this is 108 and 000 liters. Now we will need to find out the volume in 1 hour. So volume in 1 minute is given to us. Volume in 1 minute is, this is 60 liters. So we can find out now volume in 1 hour. So volume in 1 hour will be equals to now 60 into 60. So this is 3600 liters. So the time required to fill the tank, this will be now volume of tank divided by volume in 1 hour. So volume of tank is 108,000 and volume in 1 hour is 3600 liters. So this cancelled, so this is now 3 and 0, so this is 30 hours. So 30 hours will be required to fill this tank. So with this we have finished our exercise 11.4 and the complete chapter mensuration. Thank you. Okay students, आई होप अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा आपको समझ में आया होगा. इन केस अगर आपकी कोई भी क्वेरीज है आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे से सॉल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.